Hi everyone. Welcome to the What's Up Wednesday video where we share with you what's going on with Stampin' Up! Off of the weekly Tuesday updates. You're welcome to look at the demonstrator website on Tuesdays to get all the details about these updates, but we do try to recap them, maybe give you a little bit more information on the weekly Wednesday video. So starting out, of course, the new catalog is online, and you can find that under the catalogs tab. Well, it's not the catalogs tab, it's happening now. So you'd log into the demonstrator website, click happening now, and then catalogs, and you can then click the link to the US version and view it online. Now, I know that you want a catalog in your hands. You want to be able to look at it just like I am. Now, I was lucky enough to be able to attend the onstage event a couple of weeks ago in Minneapolis, where we did receive our new catalogs if we were attendees. Now, those of you that did not attend but want your new catalog, your opportunity is coming up starting May 2nd. May 2nd is the first day that we can pre-order items out of the new catalog. It'll be a selection of new items. It will not be the entire catalog. There's no way they could have all the old catalog merchandise, occasions catalog, and new catalog merchandise on their pick line. It's not big enough. So they're going to have a selection of items. I'm assuming, lots of the in colors. Well, the in colors, probably cardstock, and ink pads and refills. Not sure about the markers, some stamp sets, some dies, some ribbons, that kind of stuff. So you're going to get a nice variety of things that you can order from the new catalog. That's starting May 2nd. Now, if you do that, if you place a demonstrator order type during May 2nd to May 12th, you will get your copy of the new catalog in your box. If you do not place a demonstrator order type in that date range, those 10 days, your catalog will be shipped to you the following week after the 12th, bulk rate mail. And now we all know how slow bulk rate mail is. You're at the mercy of the post office as to when you get your item. It's very possible you could receive your catalog after the catalog goes live on June 4th. So the best way to do that, to guarantee you get that catalog in your hands ASAP, is to place a demonstrator order between May 2nd and May 12th. Now, if you want to put pre-order items on that demonstrator order, do it. You get new stuff to play with. If you're not ready to place the pre-order for new stuff, but why wouldn't you? It doesn't matter what you order. Any demonstrator order type that you place between May 12th and May 2nd and May 12th, you'll get your new catalog. So keep those dates in mind. It's a 10-day window. After that, you'll have to wait for it. If you want to order boxes of catalogs, we will be able to add those to that pre-order, and you will receive boxes of catalogs in your order if you want to hand them out to your local customers. Now, just one note about this. If you're a person who likes to expedite your order, let's say you want to place your pre-order on May 2nd and you want it quickly, like first day air or next day air or second day air, do not put those catalogs on that particular order. Put your catalogs on a separate order, because orders include boxes of catalogs you can't expedite those orders. So just keep that in mind as well. They'll be available in 8-pack boxes. And I do believe that we're going to be able to redeem our flex points for boxes of catalogs. Also, I don't know when that's going to happen. Let me take a quick look here. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. They have not announced the date yet. I'm hoping it's May 2nd that we can redeem flex points for those catalogs, but I don't know for sure. All right, moving on. Getting catalogs to your customers via the mailing selector. That ends April 30th. So I want to mention this again because I don't want you guys to be all of a sudden, it's May 1st, and you're like, oh my gosh, I didn't send catalogs to my customers. It's a very inexpensive way to get catalogs in your customers' hands if they do not live locally to you, to where you can hand them out. The cost is $5 per catalog, which is very inexpensive, because some of us choose to we order boxes of catalogs, we have them shipped to our homes, we label them, we add other information in the envelope, such as wish lists, class lists, maybe an in-color bookmark, and then you mail those out. So you have incurred the cost of the catalog to come to you, plus the cost of priority mail shipping, which is $7.30 to mail it out. So you're going to have to kind of weigh that for yourself. What's going to be the best way for you to get the catalogs into your customers' hands if they're not local to you? If you have any questions, ask in the comments below. We're happy to answer them for you. Okay. Again, that mailing selector ends April 30th, and you can only place one order. So what I do is throughout the month, I continually add people to my list as I get new customers, so that on April 30th, I can finalize it and I have all my customers there. All right. The pre-order starts at 4 a.m. on May 2nd, just so you know that. And it is a demonstrator only order type. All right. All right. We also need to talk about the Everything is Rosy medley of products that is coming up May 1st. Hopefully you can see that. Stampin' Up! Has now given us this flyer that shows us a picture of everything that's included in the medley, plus a list of all the things that are included in the medley. Now, it's only available between May 1st and May 31st for customers and demonstrators, so we can all order at the same time. I do believe Stampin' Up! Is expecting this bundle or this medley of products to sell out. So if you're wanting to order it for yourself, I say go for it. If you don't feel like you can order it, it's too much for you to spend, you can still market this without purchasing it yourself. Stampin' Up! Has given us 10 beautiful samples that we can show our customers using the supplies in this bundle. Everything is listed on the demonstrator website. Right when you log in, there's the big Everything is Rosy marketing banner. Click on that. All the information is in there. All you have to do is share this. I think this kit is going to sell itself to people that just love stuff to create with. The kit isn't really designed for specific projects, but I don't think it needs to be to sell it. So again, the flyer is here. You can share that on any of your social media. The 10 photos of the gorgeous projects are on the Stampin' Up! Website. You can save them to your computer or your phone and share them as well. Again, ordering starts May 1st. The medley is $80 US, and I think it's going to be amazing. So as we get a little bit closer, of course, if there's other samples that we find online, we'll share them with you guys so that you can use them also. And good luck selling this. The clearance rack was updated on Tuesday with lots of fun goodies. So if you haven't been there and if you haven't shared that information with your customers, you still have plenty of time to do that. I'm sure there's lots of fun, amazing items still left on the clearance rack. So be sure you share the word. You can't get orders for clearance rack item from your customers if they don't know that it's been updated. So please share that information via email, on your blog, Facebook post, whatever type of social media you use, Instagram, whatever you use. All right. The Artisan team is looking for its new member. So the 2020 Artisan team, they are taking applications for that right now. Or no, not right now. It starts May 1st and goes through May 31st. There is an application process that must be followed, and you can find that information under the weekly updates on the website if you're interested in doing that. It does come with a lot of nice perks, including cash, as well as a shopping spree from the catalog. So check that out if it's something you're interested in. Just follow the instructions, and maybe we'll be cheering you on at the next onstage as a new artisan. That would be very exciting, you guys. Okay, the Paper Pumpkin kit for May is called Hugs from Shelly, and some of you may not know, Shelly Gardner was a co-founder of Stampin' Up! With her sister Lavon 31 years ago. Shelly bought out Lavon a number of years into their partnership, and then Shelly was the CEO for a number of years until about, 5 years ago, she passed the CEO down to her daughter, Sarah. So Sarah's now the CEO, but Shelly does have a large part in Stampin' Up! Still, and she was the inspiration behind this May kit, and she did help design it, and we were lucky enough to get to make one of the cards at On Stage. Here it is. It's super cute. So I'm very excited for the rest of the kit. This is definitely Shelly's style. If many of you have been around for a while, you know this is a pure Shelly right here. So that is super exciting. So anybody, you or customers that want to get this kit, you need to make sure you're a subscriber by May 10th, whether you are you purchase a prepaid subscription to become a subscriber, or whether you're just a monthly subscriber and you get the kit every month. Either way, you have to be a subscriber by May 10th, and then you will get this amazing kit in May. So I'm super excited about that to come out too. Okay, let's see. The On-Stage online videos are available. You can access them by going to the demonstrator website, clicking on the events tab, and then April On Stage, and then you can scroll down. You'll see all the videos there. There are a lot of fun ones. Oh, I forgot to mention about the Paper Pumpkin. We all have a personalized link that allows a customer to click on that link and join Paper Pumpkin under us. So you can find that link by going to Stampin' University, then click on Paper Pumpkin, and then click on, there's like a bunch of little boxes. Click on Chapter 2. Scroll down a bit, and you will find a personalized link that you can share with people that when they click on that, it will go directly to your sign up page for Paper Pumpkin. Okay. All right. On stage. Oh, the hashtag simple stamping is still going on for the month of April, and we are supposed to be using our retiring in colors. In case you don't know what they're Berry Burst, Powder Pink, Fresh Fig, Trickle Tide, and Lemon Lime Twist. Those colors are leaving us now. So, your simple stamping is stamps, ink, and paper, and it must include one of those colors, and then just hashtag it simple stamping when you post your card on Facebook or Instagram or wherever you share socially. And now, speaking of that, I want to really encourage you guys to share your stamping creations on our team pages. I know a lot of you are stamping. I know you are, because otherwise, what are you doing with all the stuff you're buying? I know you're stamping. When you guys stamp a card, take your cell phone, snap a picture, upload it to the team page. We want to see what you guys are making. We want to give you the love your projects deserve. So I really want to challenge you guys to do that. I know some of you like to use some retired merchandise. That's okay. We all have some retired merchandise, but try to mix it in with your new merchandise too, so that when you're sharing these things with your customers, there's also some things that they can purchase that are on your projects. So that's a challenge from me to all of you guys out there. Share your creations on our team pages. We want to see them. We want to love them. We want to praise them. And we want to tell you what an amazing stamper you are. All right. I think that's it for the updates. I'm going to refresh my computer here. Sometimes when I too much, the screen goes black. So I'm going to make sure that I touched on everything. A little bit of a recap. Pre-order starts May 2nd. You can also add catalogs to your order if you want to expedite your order. Place a second order for catalogs only. You will get your complimentary catalog in your order if you place it between the 2nd and the 12th of May. Demonstrator order type only. You can add anything you want to those order types. It doesn't have to be pre-order stuff. It can be a mix of pre-order, retiring merchandise, clearance rack merchandise. It doesn't make any difference. As long as you place a demonstrator order type between the 2nd and the 12th of May, you're going to get your catalog. If you don't, you're going to wait, and it could be after the catalog goes live. Mailing selector closes April 30th. For those of you that know me, I'm still sick. Closes April 30th, and you only get to do one order. So make sure that you have everybody in there that you want before you close that out. Catalogs are $5 each that way. The Paper Pumpkin Kit, subscribe by May 10th to get it. And check out the on-stage videos again under events, April on stage, and scroll down. I think that's it, you guys. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below the video. Dina, Kelly, and I are happy to answer them for you, or your other team members are happy to answer them for you. So thanks, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.